India and the United States have announced a new trade agreement framework that many are calling a game changer for India's exports and economy. But what exactly is in this deal? Who benefits the most? And what does India give in return? In this video, I will explain the US-India trade deal in simple language, covering key points, benefits, possible risks, and what it means for you. So watch till the end. We'll tackle these important questions to give you a full analysis. Let's start with a breakdown of the trade deal itself. This new US-India trade deal is a comprehensive trade framework where both countries agree to reduce tariffs, make it easier to buy and sell products, improve supply chains, and significantly increase total trade between them. The main goal is to make India and the US stronger economic partners, especially as global trade dynamics are changing. This deal aims to increase Indian exports to America and allow more US products into India. Now let's look at the major benefits India stands to gain from this new framework. India gets greater access to the US market. Products like textiles, gems and jewelry, leather, pharmaceuticals, and engineering goods can become cheaper in the US due to lower tariffs. This means more demand, more factories, and ultimately, more jobs in India. If exports rise significantly, Indian companies will produce more, new manufacturing units will open, and MSMEs can grow. This powerfully supports the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives. India will also benefit from better access to US technology, including vital semiconductor and electronic supply chains, as well as clean energy equipment. This helps reduce India's dependence on other nations like China. It's a two-way street. Let's examine what America gains from this trade deal. In return, India will reduce duty on some US products and allow easier entry for US companies. This expands the market for American businesses significantly. India will also buy more US goods, including energy products like oil and gas, aircraft, defense equipment, agricultural products, and high-tech machines. This helps the US increase exports and create American jobs. While the deal is largely positive, it's important to address potential concerns and risks for the Indian economy. A key concern is that cheap US agricultural products may hurt Indian farmers if local sectors are not protected properly. This is a sensitive area requiring careful negotiation. Small Indian companies also worry about facing tough competition from larger, more established US brands. India is focused on protecting sensitive sectors and reducing tariffs slowly on a product-by-product basis. Beyond economics, this deal holds significant strategic importance for both nations on the global stage. The US wants India as a strong partner, and India wants stable export markets. With global companies shifting supply chains, this deal secures both partners' interests. Crucially, both countries want to reduce China's dominance in global trade and manufacturing. This trade deal is part of a larger strategy toward economic growth, political alignment, and global power balance. In simple words, India gets more export opportunities. The US gets market access in India. Jobs can increase, manufacturing can grow, and trade relations become stronger. So friends, this is the full explanation of the new US-India trade deal. Do you think this deal is good for India, or will it harm local businesses? Comment your opinion below, like the video, and subscribe for more economic and world affairs content.